Hello students of class 5. I hope you all are well. Today this is our fourth class with you. Today again I have came to teach you the new topic of your GK subject. Previous Sunday we have learned about 3 sub-chapters of the first main chapter. I hope all of you have understood about those topics. Today we are going to read about the fourth and last subchapter of the first main chapter, that is about some animals and word maze or word puzzle. Before starting today's class, I am requesting to all the students watch and listen this video very carefully. Those students have got their books. After watching this video, go through this particular page, and those students yet not got their books, watch this video repeatedly. So let's start today's class. Open your GK book, page number 10. This page, animal search. This page, animal search, page number 10. Okay. Before starting this topic, I am telling all the name of the animals at first. Then I am describing all the clues. Okay. In this page you have seen so many animals are there, and in the middle there is a puzzle box. Okay. You have to identify the name of the animals after reading this clues. ক্লুগুলো পড়ে তোমাদের আইডেন্টিফাই করতে হবে কোনটা কোন অ্যানিম্যাল, অ্যান্ড অল দ্য অ্যানিম্যালস নেমস আর হিডেন ইন দিস বক্স. এই বক্সের ভেতরে অ্যানিম্যালের নামগুলো লোকানো আছে. অ্যাট ফার্স্ট আই এম টেলিং অল দ্য অ্যানিম্যালস নেমস ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি. ইউ ক্যান রাইট অল দ্য নেম অফ দ্য অ্যানিম্যালস বিসাইড দ্য অ্যানিম্যাল. পাশে পাশে তোমরা অ্যানিম্যালের নামগুলো লিখে নিতে পারো যদি তোমাদের মনে হয়. নাও আই এম টেলিং ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান all the name of the animals. Okay. Number 1, the name of the animal is llama. The name of the animal is llama, L-A-M-A. Number 2, this is rat, R-A-T, rat, R-A-T, rat. 3, this is raccoon, R-A-C-O-O-N, raccoon, R-A-C-O-O-N, raccoon. Next, lobster, L-O-B-S-T-E-R, lobster, L-O-B-S-T-E-R, lobster. This is manat, M-A-N-A-T-E-E, manat, M-A-N-A-T-E-E, manat. This is penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. This is lemur, L-E-M-U-R, lemur. This is beaver, B-E-A-V-E-R, beaver, B-E-A-V-E-R, beaver. Next, this is spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. And last one is fly, F-L-Y, fly. Okay, all of you have written all the name of these animals beside the picture of the animal. প্রত্যেকে আশা করছি লিখে নিয়েছো অ্যানিম্যালের নামগুলো কি আছে ছবিগুলোর পাশে. Now let's discuss about the clues. Okay, look at your own book. Look at your own book, page number 1 clue. It tastes food with its feet. It tastes food with its feet. The answer is fly. The answer is fly. Which animal tastes food with its feet? The answer is number 1, answer is fly. Number 1 answer is fly. Number 2, an 8-legged animal that spins silken traps to catch insects. The answer is spider. The answer is spider. The answer is spider. Number 2, the answer is spider. In the puzzle box, the answer is spider here. Spider is written here, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. I have marked all the name of the animals with a pencil. পেন্সিল দিয়ে প্রত্যেকটা আনসার যেগুলো হবে অ্যানিম্যালের নাম হয়ে মার্ক করে রেখেছি. Look at this answer from the puzzle box very carefully. SPID, a spider. Number 2, the answer is spider. Okay. Next, number 3. An animal that uses 8 of its 10 legs for walking and other 2 as arms. The answer is lobster. Number 3, the answer is lobster. Number 3, the answer is lobster. LOBSTER, lobster. In the puzzle box, lobster is written here. LOBSTER, lobster. I have marked it. Already I have marked it with a pencil. Look at number 4 clue. With a wide flat tail and strong teeth, it can build dams across the river. The answer is beaver. BEAVER, beaver. The answer is beaver. Number 4, the answer is beaver. The answer is beaver. In the puzzle box, beaver is written here. BEAVER, beaver. BEAVER, beaver. Okay. Next, number 5 clue. A rodent with a pointed snout and a long sparsely haired tail. The answer is rat. Number 5, the answer is rat. Number 5, the answer is rat. In the puzzle box, I have marked it. This is rat. This is rat. Look at number 6 clue. It is identified by the black mask across its eyes and the black bands rings its bushy tail. The answer is raccoon. RACOON, raccoon. The answer is raccoon. This is the answer, raccoon. This is the picture and the answer is raccoon. RACOON, raccoon. In the puzzle box, look at raccoon is written here. RACCOON, raccoon. Okay. Next, let's go to the next clue. 7 clue. It spends all its life swimming lazily and grazing at the sea bottom. The answer is manate. The answer is manate. MANAT, manate. Manate. This is the picture of manate. MANATE, manate. And in the puzzle box, manate is written here. MANATE, manate. In the puzzle box, manate is written here. Okay. Look at the next clue, number 8. It is a champion underwater swimming bird. The answer is penguin. The answer is penguin. Look at this picture. This is penguin and the answer is written here. PENGUIN, penguin. The answer is written here in the puzzle box, penguin. Look at the next clue. It is a member of camel family, valued for its woolly fleece. The answer is llama. This is a South African domestic animal, llama. LAMA, llama. This is the South African domestic animal, looks like a camel. This is llama. The answer is, look at the puzzle box. The answer is written here. LAMA, llama. The answer is written here. Okay. And last clue is that it is a tree-dwelling primate recognized by its long striped tail. The answer is lemur. LEMUR, lemur. The answer is lemur. LEMUR, lemur. In the puzzle box, the answer is written. In the puzzle box, have you find where is written lemur? Look at this puzzle box very carefully. First, LEMUR, lemur. First line. Look at this first line. LEMUR, lemur. Lemur is written here. Okay. The picture of the lemur is there. This is that picture, lemur. Okay. I hope all of you have understood about this topic, about this word maze, word puzzle. and I hope all of you have understood about the name of the animals. Next day we will start our next topic. Okay, thank you.